Hey everyone! In this video, I want to show you a few simple tips that will help you extend the battery life of your Apple Watch. These are easy, everyday adjustments that make a huge difference if you feel like your battery isn't lasting as long as it should. Let's get right into it. First, if your model supports it, turn off the Always On display. Go to Settings, tap on Display and Brightness, and toggle off Always On. Second, reduce the screen wake duration. Go to Settings, tap on Display and Brightness, and set the wake time to 15 seconds instead of 70 seconds. Right below that, you can also disable Wake on Wrist Raise to prevent the screen from turning on accidentally throughout the day. Third, disable continuous background health tracking if you don't need it running 24/7. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to Privacy, and toggle off both heart rate and blood oxygen. Fourth, optimize your workout tracking to save energy. This lowers the frequency of GPS and heart rate readings during exercise. Go to Settings, select Workout, and turn on Low Power Mode. Fifth, disable Background App Refresh. This stops apps you rarely use from constantly downloading data in the background. Go to Settings, select General, tap Background App Refresh, and switch it off. Sixth, make use of system-wide battery saving. Go to Settings, scroll down to Battery, and turn on Low Power Mode. Finally, optimize your watch face. Since Apple Watches use OLED displays, black pixels are completely turned off, which saves a lot of power. Stick to dark, minimal watch faces, and avoid using animated or dynamic wallpapers. If these tips were helpful to you, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.